on my dining in Barangay Kabayugan. We could see in what's on the old unique mangrove tree. We go riding down in a wonderful one way. A group of my friends and to my berry swamp. We multiply mangrove tree, all of us we shall plant. Nursery of species, marine seafood are the best. Please don't get underneath. We must love and caring, selfish, shrub and pieces. Come to the unique place. Kami lokras pisal test. Lobsters now are the best. Oysters are delicious. All of them not issues. We must love and caring all aqua living things to support the livelihood and the source of mangrove. Tamilok na masarap, tipon na mahilap, talabang malasa at lukan na biyak. Ating pagyamanin, yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Maraming salamat kaibigan, kayo ay laging welcome sa bakawan. Susunod na taon, babalik naman, kami ay laging naghihintay. Salamat po. Ito sir, ito na yung dagat ko ma'am. Sa Bukaro na po. Yun naman sir, yun yung mga magsisipline po kami yung tumatawid ng laksa. Lalakad kayo sir ng mga